Good morning. Okay, so I made my turkey. I let it cook overnight. And it's a little on the dry side, but that's okay because it's for me. There are techniques that you use. You could use a technique, but I just did. You basically temp the turkey in the highest part right here with the thermometer and make sure it is cooked thoroughly through. But this meat is basically going to fall off the bones. There's a lot of liquids in there. I'm going to keep my turkey in the liquids, and that's going to make it moist. So it's okay because it's just for me. And this year I'm just kind of taking it easy. I also bought myself a pumpkin pie. Usually the grocery stores, if they run out of pumpkin pies during the holidays, I saved like $4 on this pie. I got it, it was on sale and they ran out, and so it's pumpkin pie and I love it. It tastes really good. It's not my, sweet potato pie, but it's pumpkin. So that's good enough for me. And then I bought one of my favorites that I hadn't bought in years, and Sara Lee. So Sara Lee has some really good pies. The only downfall, there is some palm oil in it, but that's okay. I don't eat this all year round. This has to be my father's favorite, so I guess you could say I'm doing a little food memories here. And then I bought some other goodies and then I had my canela here, and I bought some other goodies. This is my canela. My cinnamon tea. I bought some other goodies. You can see I already had 2 slices. I bought some other goodies from my favorite stores. I go to Trader Joe's, Rayleigh's. Those are pretty much my favorite stores. And if I need to, I'll go to Sprouts and, those are pretty much my favorite, and they're reasonable. I do go to a co-op store, and I find stuff that I cannot find anywhere else, which is and I like their vegetables and whatnot, and so other items like supplements and steel oats and my grains, and I like getting my stuff there. So some of the things that I'll show you I'll show you what I got, just so I can kind of cut down on my on holiday cooking. And I have so many videos, and I did these videos for my family and friends who live so far away from me, and for my grandchildren. And there are some items that I want to show you that I bought for myself, so that I don't have to worry about cooking, and I can eat good. And I'm thankful that they have it. So I bought a pumpkin bisque, and I have some sweet potatoes. I'll probably make a sweet potato soup, and with some turkey stock, who knows, or chicken stock. And then I bought a lentil soup, and that's healthy, with ancient grains. And then I bought like a salad. So I have to eat this by the 18th. And this has, it's got some really good stuff in it. And this is all kept in the refrigerator. And then I bought some Greek salad. So this is my healthy. I'm trying to get on the healthy chair. I will never become a vegan. Although vegan is good. So if I ever became a vegan, I would buy stuff like this. But I like Whole Foods. I've always enjoyed Whole Foods when I was a kid. And I just wanted to share. Sometimes you just don't feel like cooking anymore. And I'm getting to that point where I really don't feel like cooking that much. But I wish I had my own professional kitchen. I wish I had a nice juicy contract from someone who wanted to promote their goods with me. I wish I had all that stuff. I think I've always had those kinds of dreams in my cooking venture. And as this year closes and I become a little older, I'm realizing that, you know, sometimes dreams don't always come true. So with that in mind, I think cooking will always be my my passion. It's a heritage that my parents gave me, and celebrations and coming together and enjoying each other and having one thing in common, which is good eating. And I think that'll always be a part of my life, and I'm sure it'll be a part of yours. So wanted to wish everybody a happy, safe holidays and a Merry Christmas, and God bless you. And from my heart to your heart, I love you all, and hopefully I will see you soon in the future. Okay, bye. This is my morning look.